In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Zoho forms. We'll begin right on your Zoho Forms dashboard. Once you're signed in and on the My Forms page, look for the New Form button. This is your starting point for creating something from scratch or building with a head start. Go ahead and click New Form to open the creation options. Next, choose Form Templates. While you can absolutely start with a blank form, templates save time and give you a solid structure to work from. They're organized by categories like contact, registration, feedback, and more. And you can use search if you already have a use case in mind. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match a common workflow or industry standard without reinventing the wheel. Browse through the templates and select one that aligns with your goal. Take a moment to preview it if that option is available, checking whether it has the right types of fields, such as name, email, phone, dropdowns, or file uploads. Think about what information you truly need to collect. A shorter form is usually more effective, so pick something close to your needs to minimize editing later. When you're confident in your choice, click Use. This loads the template into the form builder, where you can customize everything to fit your requirements. In the builder, adjust fields by dragging to reorder, renaming labels to match your terminology, and removing anything you don't need. Click a field to open its properties and set options like making it required, adding placeholder text, customizing validation for email or phone formats, and tweaking error messages so respondents know exactly what to correct. If you need new fields, add them from the field palette and group related questions into sections to keep things clear. You can also update the form title and description and apply a theme to match your brand with colors and fonts. As you work, save frequently and keep the experience simple and logical from top to bottom. When your edits look good, click Access Form. This opens the live version of your form as respondents will see it. Use this view to test the flow end to end. Check required fields, space. Confirm that validations work, and make sure the layout looks clean on both desktop and mobile. It's a good idea to do a trial submission to confirm the thank you message or landing page displays correctly. That's it. You clicked New Form, chose Form Templates, selected a template, used it, edited it to fit your needs, and accessed the live form to review. With those steps, you're ready to start collecting responses confidently.